Good morning guys! Ito yung uniform namin. Walking uniform. Different uniform today, Sunday uniform. Yan. We're
Sorry,
going,
my hat's not pink.
but we still have hats. Ayan, so enjoy po sa ating natural things. Ayan. Si Pepper at si Peanut nandoon na. Free yan sila dito. Kahit walang tali, okay lang yan sila dito. Alam na nila kung saan sila pupunta. So yan, ito po yung intro natin. Enjoy po. Ihaharap ko na kayo kung saan tayo pupunta. It's chilly, see. The wind is a bit chilly. How much do you think it's like this? This is good in the garden. It's not good, look. Oh, the bluebells. Have you seen the bluebells in the garden? Oh, no. Yan po. Ang ganda-ganda pag maganda ang araw. Tapos medyo dry, maganda kasi hindi maduduman yung ating bagong walking shoes. Yan. Yan ay mga wild. Is that cherry blossoms, is it? Wild?
No, it's not cherry blossom.
Oh.
Trees.
They're nice though. It's nice, look.
What sort of tree it is actually?
The nice, that white, small white flowers. And they are falling. Some of it are on the floor now. Yeah, it's so nice. It looks like cherry blossoms, the
But
leaves.
it's not a cherry blossom because cherry blossoms are pink.
Are all cherry blossoms pink? There's a white cherry blossom.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh.
I think they are. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So nice. So yan. They both have the same color. The color.
The pink goes.
Now we're going up there. Aakyat po tayo doon sa taas. Yan. Makati. Let's follow Peppa. And Peanut will follow. Oops. She doesn't want to walk behind. It seems like her collar is sideways.
Who?
Peanut.
What's on that?
Peanut, stop. Look what have you done? It's twisted. Yeah. That's better. What's that in here? What's that? Oh. We've got...
I've got a passenger.
Ooh. Come on. Come on, Peppa. Peeps. Bye. They're happy. They're happy. So, bibidyo na pa ako doon sa taas. Look at this tree. Fresh leaves and there's some fresh flowers, I think. Buti na lang Sunday ngayon. Nakasama ako maglakad. Tapos maganda ang araw. What? What?
I think there was things there. I've seen those before.
Oh, is it new? Oh. So, this one have no leaves yet. Maybe next time when we come and for a walk. No, that's it. It's not dead. The leaves comes on the summertime or the end of springtime. Summertime will be June. It's only April. So, yan. Wala pang mga dahon. But look, that's a new leaves coming out. Huh? They are. Yeah. That one have leaves already. Look, it's really green. Very green. Okay. Whew. And these are, ano nga ba to? What's this again? Oh, are those
Leaves.
flowers or leaves?
Leaves.
Oh, look at that. Looks like flowers, the rest. These are new leaves. These are new leaves, and how do you call that again? This one on your right side.
Gorse.
Huh?
This is gorse.
Gosh.
Or heather.
Heather. Do you know, I will not forget that the old lady that I was cleaning for, Pat, she always called me Heather. So those are heather. These are heather. Look, they're coming out. Ayan, bagong bulaklak yan. Oh, hello. Come on this way. Tata. So yan. May naglalakad doon. Ako yan. We're on top of the hill.
Longwood Edge.
Longwood Edge. Oh, look at the grass. Very green. Why are those replanted? Can we have
Trees.
what kind of trees? I hope it's all cherry blossoms. Oh no, it's not. Grapes. Do you think?
I don't know what it is.
Oi!
Really?
No, she's rolling something. They might be grapes. Oh no, it's out there now. There's no name. Pasok ni David sana. There you go. It's broken, that one. Here you go. Maraming tanim. It'll be good if grapes, and then we can just pick up. We can just pick while walking. Oh, there's some here that's already growing. What kind of trees are they? Look, they're all the same. They did not put name on it. No.
Some are doing better than others.
That one is good, look. Can you guess if what tree is it? Oh, in the middle there are some big ones. Can we walk through the middle? Oh, it's not grapes. Ah, kasi malamig pa. So, yan. Look, there is in the middle the big one. It seems like playground. Pepper at si Peanut na ang saya. Saya sila kasi nakawala na naman. They're happy when they're walking without nang walang ano. It'll be good if they're going to plant her like apples. No, Peanut. There's nothing there. Oh, it's dead. Peanut, get up, get up.
There.
Huh? It's dead.
Not very well, was it?
No. Might be like out of the thing a while ago now. So it's this one. It'll be good if it's all cherry blossoms as well. We're going to walk on the cherry blossoms park. Let's have a ganda. Let's be nosy if what is this. Can you tell if what is this? Look, there's flowers already coming out. Look. Si David. Is it alive? Is it alive?
Yeah.
Pinabalik ni David yung anak kasi natanggal. Ay, may mga aso doon. Look, there's flowers coming out. I don't know what's this. May buttercup na. Buttercup. May naglalakad doon. May dalawang aso. Can you not guess if what kind of trees are these?
I'm going to search it and try and take a picture of it and that's Google.
Oh. Can Google guess?
Yeah.
Just the leaves?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll take a picture of this. Thank you. Why did they decided to put a lot of trees here?
I don't know.
Just on this field, I think.
My guess is, I think it's all owned by Kurtese.
Yeah.
And what they're going to do, they're probably going to build houses on those fields.
Ah.
And then to say to people who object to houses being built, yeah, but we've planted a field full of trees
Mm-hmm.
to compensate. That's my guess.
Yes. Right. Okay, end ko na muna to kasi mahaba ng ating video. And see you in the other field. Bye for now. And guys, ginugugol ni David kung anong klaseng kahoy yan, kung anong pangalan. Kasi yung mga dinaanan namin kanina na bagong talim, yung nandoon, doon sa kabilang field. Ang dahon ay parang ganyan, pero hindi namin alam kung ano ang pangalan ng kahoy. So, ginugugol niya. Hi guys, nandito po kami sa next field. Yung kanina doon kami sa kabila, hindi ko makita. Yung may mga bagong pananim. So, yung bagong pananim na yon ay... What is it?
Aspen.
Ha?
Aspen.
Aspen.
Yeah.
Aspen? How do you spell it?
A-S-P.
E-N. So, yung pangalan ng ano ay Aspen. Aspen. Ah. Ayan.
So I found this thing on my phone, which there.
Ah, di ko
That.
Ano
So you
yun?
take a picture of it, and it finds something similar to the picture, and tells you what it thinks it is. So it's aspen.
So, ang pangalan po ng ano, kahoy na yan ay aspen. So, yung mga tanim doon na marami ay mga aspen. Ayan. So, ito naman dito ay mga is this blackberries? Blackberries, is it? There are blackberries here. So, yan. Tapos, may halong heather at yung mga aspen. Look, dito it's flowers. This one looks like cherry blossoms. Is it? This pink flower. Are you going to ask? Ayan. Ano ni David sa Google. Tapos, ipipicturean niya. Ay, hindi makita.
Sonic's myrtlefolia.
Can you make it bigger? Is it? Is it similar or is it the
myrtle
name?
then?
Myrtle.
Myrtle leaf. Yeah, look at that.
Ang
that's the
clever
same
ni
as that.
Google. So,
So,
ang
myrtle.
pangalan ay
Myrtle leaf willow.
Myrtle leaf willow. This is nice because the flowers are coming out early. Yeah, so thanks Uncle Google. Clever is it? Oops, that's the second one.
She's eating some grass.
So yun po ay so that's the
Castle Hill.
over the bit that tall Emily Moore Mast, and then Castle Hill, and where is the Longwood Tower? Longwood Tower there. So ito. Yan. How many? There's a one blackbird and 3 magpies. Peanut, go! Peanut! Can you see the birds?
She'll chase the bird and she'll jump off the edge of a cliff.
But if she will see it, she's gonna go. Look. Just
When we
watch.
were down in
Just watch.
Dorset, when walking on there, I was worried about her hurtling after a season and just running into this. Jumping off the field.
Ano.
They've seen her there.
Yung mga magpies. So what's 3?
3 for a girl.
Oh, 3 for girl.
Yeah, 4 for a boy.
Oh, girl.
5 for silver, 6 for gold, 7 for a secret never to be told.
Where is it again?
Over there, yellow and speedbirds.
Okay. Oh, that's Golka.
Right, up at the top, where Merley
The Marley.
and Darren live. Right
Yeah.
at the top.
Right there. And we live on this side. On this side.
And we live down in the bottom,
And
where it's warm.
So yan. And we are going to the next field. Okay. See you there. Bye for now. Okay, nandito na. Are we on this field before? Yeah, so, dito kami nag-umpisa doon.
So was that a serious question?
Yes. I was lost. So, nandito tayo. Bumalik tayo dito sa field, unang field na nilakaran namin kasi kanina doon kami. So, umikot kami, punta doon at bumalik. Pupunta ulit kami sa next field, which is going there. Alam nila pepper at peanut kasi yan lagi ang protein. Yan lagi ang ano nila. Alam nila kung saan sila pupunta. Ayan, so gumagamit pa ako ngayon ng microphone. Yan. Kasi medyo mahangin. So tingnan natin kung anong result. Nandito na po tayo sa next field. Pangatlong field ito na ating nilalakaran. So that's the first one. And then the second one was there. And then we come around. That's the entrance for the third field that we're walking at. At dito ay ano lang siya, grass. Yung first field may mga tanim na bagong kahoy. Yung second field namin nilakaran ay may mga heather, blackberries, at mga halo-halong kahoy. Dito naman ay puro grass lang. Yan. Tinaniman talaga nila dito. Last time na naglalakad kami dito, last year, nilagyan to nila ng abono and then tinaniman nila ng grass. It's nice, is it? Really green and flat. Very nice. It's ideal for dog walking. Kaya si Peanut at si Pepper nag-i-enjoy yan pag dito. Dahil ano lang yan sila, free. Wala silang tali. Marami din naglalakad dito na may mga aso. Pero yung mga aso, baliwala lang sa kanila. Hindi sila nangaaway yan. Yung dalawa. Ganda! This way! May naamoy sila. Ooh, what's that? Let's go. Let's go! Yan. So, dito na tayo and then pupunta tayo doon sa iikot. Then punta doon sa kabilang field. Are we going that way? Kabilang field and then is that the last field and we're going round? No?
This field.
And then maraming field. Malapad dito, malapad. Yan, so grass din dyan. Green grass. Up home. Yan. Whew. Medyo mainit na. Whew.
I'm glad I said it now.
Huh? I am sweating.
Yeah, it's not mine.
Ah,
Especially because you're doing exercise.
yeah, the wind is still cold. Ay, yung hangin, medyo malamig.
Mahangin, malamig.
Malamig pa ang medyo malamig pa ang hangin. The wind is still a bit cold. Yan.
You said something like cold as the wind because you started out with malamig.
It's different, is it?
Malamig, mahangin. That's cold wind.
Well, it's in an opposite.
Mahangin is malamig. Wind is cold. Cold is the wind.
Or, ang hangin ay malamig.
That's the wind is cold.
Yeah, ang hangin ay malamig.
Mahangin.
Ang hangin ay malamig. Ang hangin ay malamig. Mahangin is windy.
Oh, wind.
Yeah.
Wind is mahangin.
Ang hangin is wind. Wind. Yan. 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 Agoy. So, ayan. Ayan, meron kasi kami nakakasalubong. So, i-end ko muna to.
A breeze.
Ah,
Or is it just an anghang, like, just classes for moving air?
May-
Moving air.
medyo mahangin. I think, I don't know.
We've got
So,
breeze, wind,
yan,
gust,
meron kami.
gale,
Yeah.
storm.
Breeze is
Breeze is a gentle, small anghang.
medyo mahangin. Medyo is small. Medyo. Medyo mahangin. Hello. Yan. So yan sila. Pepper at Peanut. Lagi silang sinasabihang ang cute daw. Tapos laging napapagkamala na si Peanut yung mas matanda kasi mas malaki siya. Ano, para silang magkapatid lang. They just look like sisters, or Peanut at Pepper. So yan. Mga bahay doon sa baba. So pang is third field that we're walking. Third, fourth. Pang-apat na field. And then pupunta tayo doon sa kabilang field. Pang-5. What are you looking at? Football.
Yeah, Andrew's daughter came to play football.
Saan?
Yeah.
Is it a football ground? Yeah, what is this? It's a big field. Somewhere there.
Yeah, so the football pitch.
Ah, okay. Peanut, where are you? Peanut? Peanut? She've gone this way. Peanut!
Yeah, the football ground.
Oh, you're there.
Football ground called Sky Stadium.
Sky?
Sky Stadium. When
Why?
you get there, there's nothing but sky.
Oh, Sky as S-K-Y. Yeah. Yan, nandito na tayo sa just fifth field. Pang-5 field. Fifth field, this we walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth. Pang-5. So this is the last field that we're going to walk at. And then, green grass again. Tapos, iikot na kami doon. Pabalik na sa sasakyan. So, see you sa sasakyan. Bye for now. So guys, mag-exit na po tayo dito sa pang-5 field. Dito yung main road. Dito. Ha? So yan. Dito na tayo sa kalsada. Meron doon, ano yan, cricket. Cricket field. And football. Or rugby. Failed. Rugby. Peanut? Have you got peanuts? Thing. So, dito na tayo sa kalsada. Yan. Yan, mga apoy dyan. At maaraw talaga. Ha?
Like no parking.
It might be theirs.
I hope so.
Where have you been, Peanut? So, yan, si Peanut at si Pepper. Blue sky. Blue sky. Peanut. Yan, cricket field. Tapos, yan, college. College school. So, iikot kami doon. Ano yan na. Sabi ko kanina, doon tayo magkita-kita sa sasakyan. Pero nag-video pa rin ako. Bluebells, guys. Look. Bluebells. Yan. Bluebells season na. Umuusbong na yung mga bluebells. Yung tulips, nag-uumpisa na silang maglaglagan. Pati yung daffodils wala na. So, tulips and then ngayon, bluebells. Bluebells. Bluebells? Bluebells. It's winter shoes, is it? It's waterproof.
Was it waterproof?
Yeah, same as mine. It's not for summer shoes. So how do you call these ones?
Dandelion.
Dandelions. Yan, marami ng dandelions. We got your size. Gonna get it. So, dito na po tayo. Exit. Dito tayo mag-exit. Pupunta ang sasakyan. Ay, sorry. Ang sasakyan namin nandoon. So, dito na po tayo. Yan, maraming field dito. Yan, mga naglalakad. May mga aso yan. So, walang naglalaro ngayon dito. Saturday kasi. So, yan. Yan na. After this field, yeah, look at the dog. Wheel! Clever dog. So, after dito, last na ito na mga fields. And then, doon na kami sa kalsada. So, see you na doon. See you sa sasakyan. May isa pa palang field kami dito. Tapos doon pala kami mag-exit doon. So, doon kami galing. Is this the 6th field? Pang-anim na field aming nilalakad. Pang-pito na yata. No. Yeah, pang-anim. 6th field. So, pang-anim. So, dito na kami. Kala ko doon kami mag-exit dito para doon. Alin, punta na kami doon. So, okay. See you there.
Yeah, limited language.
Right. So, nandito na tayo. This is the 7th field. I thought we're just going on that field. So, nasa 7. I thought we're going to exit na. I thought we're going to exit on the way. So, we are on the 7th field. Maraming field dito na dinaanan namin. So, yung unang field doon, yung may mga tanim doon. Doon. So, nandito na tayo. Kaya nakatali na yung dalawa. Kasi doon na tayo sa may kalsada. Malapit na tayo sa may sasakyan. We'll see you sa sasakyan. So, we've been walking through 7. How do you say it in English? Through 7 fields.
7 fields.
Yeah, we've walked through 7 fields. Yan, yung ating highlights, Sunday highlights. Mamaya mag-garden din tayo. Okay. See you in a bit. Okay, see you in a bit. Bye na. Yan guys, nandito na po tayo sa sasakyan with the 2 dogs at the back. Nasa cage po sila pag dito sila sa sasakyan. Nag-share lang sila, ayan, Peppa and Peanut. So, yan, dadaan po tayo sa Aldi kasi may bibilhin si David. So, yan, ang dinadaanan natin, baba natin may sasakyan. Aldi na malaki. Where, oh gosh, David.
See that white one? See that white one until the last second.
Gosh.
So,
So, yan. Pupunta po tayo sa Aldi. Yan. Cherry blossoms, look. Oh my goodness. Cherry blossoms everywhere. So, dito na po tayo sa Aldi. Ayan yung Aldi. Malapit na. Ay, may microphone dito. Ayan. So, dyan po yung malaking Aldi. Dyan sa ano. Sa kanan.
She's not lost.
Ay, nako. Lagi akong naliligaw. So, yan. Sasama ako kasi baka may mga pananim sila na magustuhan ko. Bibili ako. Grapes yung hinahanap ko. Grapes plant. Grape plant. So, yan. I think I just been here once inside. So I always stay in the car when yan, walang parkingan. Oh, there. Meron doon. Dito. Dito na kami. So, punta tayo sa loob. Ayan. Hindi na ako mag-video sa loob. See you in a bit. Bye for now. So, ayan po guys. Tapos na po tayo sa Aldi. Ngayon, pauwi na tayo. Very good. Dalawa. Sobrang busy. Sobrang busy sa loob ng Aldi. Pati yung kalsada ay busy. Good. Ayan. So, yan na. Uwi na po tayo. At that car is smoking. That's nice plants there. Cherry blossoms! Ayan. Grabe. Ang gaganda ng cherry blossoms dito. Nakakatuwa. Ayan. Yan, mga cherry blossoms yan. Pero mga bata pa. Bata pa yung cherry blossoms. Yan, cherry blossoms. Cherry blossoms. Cherry blossoms. May dadaanan pa tayong cherry blossoms kaya video tayo. Yan, cherry blossoms. Cherry blossoms. So yeah, I think, let's see.
So,
Yeah.
two green things. That can fit with it.
Yeah, that's our Filipino friend with new fans. Ayan. How are you anyway? How is your shoulder when you're doing that? It's still sore.
Not my shoulder.
Oh, is it? Is it moving? The flower. Ganda ng mga flower kasi nga spring na. The cherry blossoms there. Oh my goodness. Cherry blossoms over there. So yan. I'm gonna see you at home. See you in a bit. Bye for now. Hello guys, dito kung mapapansin nyo, yung ang buka ng bunganga ko dito ay hindi tugma. Kasi hindi ko na malaya na nalaglag na pala yung microphone ko. Kaya salita pa rin ako ng salita. Ang ginagawa namin dito ni David, inaano namin kung ano yung mga nabili. Sabi ko, yan, ayan, ayan. Naguhol. Inaano ko kung ano yung nabili namin. So, tawa ako ng tawa kasi si David ang nag-ano dyan. Tapos, yan, yung battery, yung dishwashing up liquid, tapos yung itlog. Ayan, yung mga nabili namin. Inaano niya, fina-flash na ni David. Tawa ko ng tawa kasi yan, inaano na niya. Yan. Tapos, kasi hinawakan ko yung phone ko, kaya yung camera, kaya siya na ang nag ano ng mga nabili, yung nasa loob ng shopping bag. So yan guys, hindi ko talaga dyan namalaya na wala na pala yung aking microphone. So yan. At yan, inano pa niya yung resibo. Tawa ako ng tawa kasi sumasakay na siya sa aking mga vlogs dyan. Siya na ang Tapos, yan po, pinalabas ko na lang sila Pepper and Peanut para umihi. Kasi gusto nilang lumabas. So, yan ha, bakit kung nagtataka kayo na hindi tugma yung aking voice, nag-voice over na lang po ako dito. Okay. Hello, Pepper and Peanut. How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you? How are you, babies? You okay? Good girls. You good girls. You good girls. Good girls. So, yan po guys, si David nagkakat ng grass. Nakasarado lahat yung pinto. Dahil itong dalawa ay kinakahol nila yung yan yung lawn mo. So, nandito sila. At lalabas na rin po ako, mag-garden na rin ako. Tingnan nyo guys ang mga wild, wala, ano ba yan? Wild garlic. Grabe, oh. Grabe, ano sila, blooming. Tapos, doon yung, ano, yung bluebells. Ayun. Nasaan yung kamay ko? Yan. Bluebells. Tapos, mayroong naligaw na andyan lang sa, ano. Hindi ko yung tatanggalin. Ito yung bahay po na, dating bahay ng aming mga manok. Inilagay namin dito. So, yan. At nakapagsampay na po tayo sa labas dahil maaraw. At medyo may hangin-hangin. Yan. Pero meron po tayong nakasampay dito sa loob dahil hindi kasya doon sa labas. Okay lang yan dito. Kung hindi sana nagkakat ng grass si David, bubuksan ko sana itong pinto kaso bawal sila sa labas dahil grabe hindi ayaw nila nung lawnmower. So, yan. So, yan po ang update natin. Yung mga aso, bawal silang lumabas dahil yun na nga. So, lalabas na po ako. Baka hindi ko muna i-video yung aking pag-garden sa ngayon. Kasi, i-charge ko yung aking phone na lubat kasi siya kanina nung naglakad kami. Pati yung isang camera na ginagamit ko pang vlog na lubat. So, wala munang video. Mamaya i-video ko na lang pag na-charge na yung yung dalawa pag na-charge na yung aking phone. Dalawa nag-aabang. Bawal silang lumabas. No, come here this way. This way. This way. This way, come here. Kanina nakadikit yan sila sa akin habang nakaupo ako dito. Yan. Ayaw kasi nila ng ng lawnmower. So yan, i-charge ko po muna yung phone. Mamaya pag mamaya uli ako magba-vlog after kong ma-charge yung phone. Okay. See you in a bit. Bye for now.